Hello everyone, in this video we'll see what is Git. It is a free to use open source project which mainly used by developers, DevOps, operation and other teams in the IT industry. Git tracks the changes that takes place in a single file to a bigger project. So you make frequent changes, upgrading your product, so those things will be done by updating your code. So all those changes will be tracked by Git. In case if something goes wrong, you can revert back to the previous changes using Git. Now what is GitHub, GitLab and Bitbucket? So these are the service provider. What service they provide? They provide Git as a service. So instead of hosting your own Git server, which leads to a lot of challenges, like you have to manage the server, maintain the server, periodic backups, all those things you have to done by yourself. So to offload this work, we go to GitHub, GitLab or Bitbucket, where we host our repositories, and rest everything will be taken care by them. On top of it, they provide many more other features which Git doesn't have. Okay, let's see if we have Git installed or not. Let's log into our test server. So Git is not installed. Before that, sudo update. Let's update our repository list. Let's install Git. Sudo apt install Git. So that is the use of it, and that's how we install Git. Thanks everyone.